In the mouth cavity, food is chewed into small pieces by the teeth and mixed with saliva. The tongue rolls the food into a soft mass called a bolus. During swallowing, the tongue rises to push the bolus towards the pharynx. The soft palate moves up to prevent the bolus from entering the nasal cavity. The epiglottis also lowers to cover the opening to the trachea. This prevents the bolus from entering the trachea. The bolus enters the esophagus. The wall of the esophagus consists of circular muscles and longitudinal muscles. When the bolus enters the esophagus, the circular muscles behind it contract and the longitudinal muscles relax. At the same time, the circular muscles in front of the bolus relax and the longitudinal muscles contract. These actions push the bolus down the esophagus to the stomach. This alternate contraction and relaxation of the muscles produces a wave-like movement called peristalsis.